So this is the old pond. It's early spring, so none of the plants on the beds have grown in or anything. But that's what we're starting with, and that's where we're going now. That's the big plate for the fish to hide under in the well. This morning I took the filter completely apart, cleaned it, put it entirely back together, drilled out the hole so I get a little bit better flow. And yeah, I like that a lot. So we're filling it for the first time. So we're over the first step and we're starting into the second bit. But first is to get the water in the tank and start it circulating and prep it for the fish, so that when we move the first one, he doesn't just go fins up and tells us that our water is all totally wrong. But everything that went through there seemed to be doing okay. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Getting over the stair that you used to get in and out by. So it continues, and then the big deal will be to see how flat the big plate in the middle actually is. So according to the water level, it's not quite low. We're now on to the next big deal, which is the plate being totally submerged. Yeah, okay, Aquascape, but I got the bug now. Started with a little one over there. So we'll take you back over here and I'll show you all our fish. They're all very happy, but they're small. I mean, we don't have anything super big, but they love the sunshine. But once we finally get the fish moved to their new home, then we'll take this one apart and fix it. We never foamed the waterfall and it loses a lot of water. There it goes. Oh, help me, I'm drowning. One. Oh, the humaniscus. There's the third one. That's it. It's totally underwater. Now you can see the water level is quite a lot higher. We're going to bring it up another 2 or 3 inches at least. Everything looks great so far. It's funny, I drive a Suzuki. One of my fish has an H on its head, and it's called Honda. Everybody expected it to be called Harley. You can see him moving across the bottom of the pond. He's about, I don't know, 6-7 inches long now. I got him when he was about 4. Not years old, but 4 inches. So it's been a couple of days. Been doing some cleaning up. That Lola has been over our hot tub since we bought it. It's looking a little beaten up, but it's still loved, just like all of her other art.